Hello and welcome to another update video about ETHBTC. This can be a very important chart to consider, maybe when it's when you think about, okay, do you buy more Bitcoin or more ETH when structuring a portfolio, or just to know which coin is currently outperforming the other one, And at the moment, it is still Bitcoin outperforming ETH. So we are still in this downtrend here. We've been talking about that in the previous videos as well. I think we never really had a very clear low in place, and also now I still don't see a very clear low. I have changed since the last update, since the last public video. I mean, I do update ETHBTC, the ETHBTC chart for our channel members, and I also send updates through to our gold members, but not much happened, so they weren't very frequent. So also while the micro count, however, changed, the overall there was no invalidation or anything. So in the last update, I still showed you a target area. We're basically still in that target area, but I refined it a little bit because of the latest sort of messy price action that we've seen. They're absolutely corrective. So we're coming down. Yeah, the downtrend is still ongoing, but I see this as a B-wave pullback, and I'm still watching for a turnaround so that ETH can start to outperform Bitcoin. That would still be my expectation. However, at the same time, Ether had a few opportunities or ETHBTC had a few opportunities to run, and so far hasn't done it. And we are now caught below this descending trend line that you can see there on the chart. And I see the current, so here, and I currently see the low that was made in here. So that was in 2019, I see this as a wave 2. And we're now basically in a wave 3 as an ABC structure. It is an ABC because of the the bigger picture. These BTC charts or BTC pairs, any BTC pair is moving in corrective structures. So also ETHBTC is moving in corrective structures. We have a very messy A wave, as you can see on the chart. It's a very clear, corrective structure, not clearly impulsive. And the move down is also corrective. A wave down, B wave up, like a flat structure. We're now coming down in the C wave. So that's sort of what I'm watching for at the moment. There is a target area I have defined for this wave 5, and that's between 0.039 and 0.046. What we can do as well is we can add the Fibonacci extensions of the larger degree. So the A wave down, circle wave A, compare that with circle wave B. Oops, where are we? Here, And overall, I mean, that might still send us a little bit lower, but we are approaching the 100% extension level at 0.048. That's important, That's just sort of the bigger picture, larger cycle. And then the 1.236 extension is within the other Fibonacci box. That's at 0.042. And then down there, we still have 0.0337. What I will do, I will add these to the chart as well, just as additional reference points, so that we have them, because they might be levels where the price could show absolutely a reaction. So let's just move it a little bit more accurately. So we've got two overlapping support areas. You could say they are the next Fibonacci support levels, going down all the way down to actually 0.033 now. But I would say I still haven't got a clear low in place. Funny enough, that 100% extension level there at 0.047 is pretty much overlapping with the A wave low. Now I'd like to see the C wave go maybe just below the A wave low, and then it might actually go, okay? But at the present, I have absolutely no indication that a low is already in place. So we're currently coming down the C wave. As you can see, a wave 1 is likely done, a wave 2, the wave 3 probably as well. Wave 4 maybe in the making right now, and one more low. This is a corrective structure. So the micro count probably will change a bit. But bottom line is we have some Fibonacci levels to watch. We have a trend line we can watch. If that breaks, that would be a first indication really that a low is already in place. And overall, my expectation would be that ETH is going to outperform Bitcoin in this run. It just simply hasn't started yet. That's also what I get from the USD chart. So the ETH USD chart looks generally more bullish than the BTC chart. It seems like ETH just hasn't really started yet. And if that current correction finishes on the ETH chart, it might be the next wave might be the FOMO wave, yeah, because it could be a third wave rally, whereas Bitcoin's is a fifth wave. We talk about that in the Bitcoin video. Yeah, that's my update about ETHBTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.